In this example, we are going to use the midday drawing for Maryland Pick 3. So we enter 469 and click Generate. Now that the number grid is populated, we can use that to see if the winning number is in the grid. So now if we go over to the results, in this example we use lottery post, we can see that the number that came out for the evening was 477. Next we enter the winning evening draw into the search under the number grid, and we can see that the result was in the grid and there were 6 results for it in different locations. The grid will show you exactly where. This is a teachable moment because it shows you how to start understanding how patterns are formed, and if you look closely, the winning results are always going to be connected to the day sum and its mirror number, which in this case is 8 and 3 in yellow. Let's try another. Let's look up the midday for the next drawing, enter 387 into the search. The results show that there are 10 paths or 10 combinations. As we can see, if we continue to page through, we get all the locations of each result. By doing this over time, you will teach yourself how to read the patterns, and you will train yourself on where to look for the winning locations. As I mentioned, the combinations will most likely be connected to the day sum and its mirror. This method can be applied to any of our generators. Drop a comment if you have a question. Please like, share, and subscribe. Visit numeris lotterystrategies.com for more information.